Masterclock manufactures a range of equipment that's designed to keep people and systems synchronized. My name is John Clark. I'm the President and CEO of Masterclock Incorporated. We're a manufacturer of very accurate timing systems for a range of applications. Masterclock provides accurate timing equipment and displays to everybody from Microsoft to Federal Aviation Administration to NASA to railroads to the NBA. Ranging from synchronizing broadcast facilities to synchronizing the grid, synchronizing our air traffic control systems. It's amazing nowadays, now that everything is becoming networked, the need to synchronize these devices is ubiquitous across all these applications. Everything from countdowns for a broadcast studio to in the back of a church to keep the preacher on time, to the radar systems that allow us to safely traverse our airspace here in the United States, to helping Saudi Aramco keep their operations in sync, to NHK in Japan, Pagasa in the Philippines. So there's just about no applications nowadays that the need for accurate synchronization doesn't affect. Within these, we find ways that we can apply our technology in a secure and distributed manner to try to get things working on the same page, because proper sequence of events in today's world with a connected Internet of Things is becoming more and more important and will be a critical part of the effective deployment of smart city technology and applications. We're an American-based company. We design all of our products here in our facility in suburban St. Louis. We also have all of our own manufacturing capabilities, and that vertical integration helps us maintain much tighter quality control. It helps us have a better understanding of what's going into our products, and it forces us to maintain the internal knowledge to not only support our existing and our legacy products, but also look forward and prepare our clients for the next generation of synchronization technology. At Masterclock, we do one thing, and that's time. And we're hoping to do our part as our world moves more toward a world where we rely on things like autonomous driving, in which that navigation is entirely dependent upon the ability to make sure those two devices are synchronized, or those 20 cars on the highway are all synchronized and working on the same page. A world where we're relying on technology to help us even just do things like navigate our cars. The need to have those cars in sync with the highway and sync with each other becomes paramount. And so there's a huge need for distributed timing within that. A billionth of a second of an error coming from the GPS satellites can equate to 30 centimeters on the ground. So you think you're driving down Michigan Avenue in Chicago, and then there's a glitch, and all of a sudden you're in Lake Michigan. And so we're looking for ways that we can deploy timing technology to not just make our cities smarter, but make them safer as well, as we continue to involve these technologies more and more in our day-to-day lives. We feel that it's our job at Masterclock to not just meet the standard, but help push the standard through partners with people like NIST and NASA and others to make sure that we're on the bleeding edge and we can take that technology, move it throughout our cities and try to make them smarter, be a leader in our field, and help push the boundaries of our understanding of time.